Bem-vindos ao nosso espaço, um mergulho profundo nos assuntos mais interessantes de esportes, ciências e temas gerais do momento. Aqui você vai encontrar conteúdo de qualidade, com análises empolgantes e descobertas fascinantes que vão expandir seus horizontes. Nossa missão é trazer informação relevante de forma dinâmica e descontraída. Queremos que você faça parte dessa jornada incrível de conhecimento e diversão. Se gostar do nosso conteúdo, não esqueça de deixar seu like e se inscrever no canal para não perder nenhuma novidade. Ative o sininho também. Aproveite!
If you love science, don't forget to like and subscribe. Take a moment to appreciate the humble plant. It seems static, simple, a fundamental part of classical biology. But deep within its leaves, something truly mind-bending is happening. Photosynthesis, the process that powers nearly all life on Earth, operates with an efficiency that should be impossible according to classical physics. When a photon hits a leaf, the plant captures that energy and transfers it to the reaction center with nearly 100% efficiency. How? The answer lies in the quantum realm. Plants are master quantum engineers. To understand this efficiency, we first have to understand the problem. When energy moves from one place to another, whether electrical, thermal, or light energy, it tends to dissipate. Think about throwing a tennis ball at a wall. Some energy is lost as sound and heat. In molecular terms, if light energy, packaged as an exciton, a temporary excited state, simply bounced randomly through the complex molecular machinery of the leaf's antenna pigments, most of that energy would be lost as useless heat and vibration before it reached the place where the chemical work, the actual conversion of CO2 and water, happens. According to classical physics, the exciton would take a random, chaotic path. It would be a journey riddled with friction and dead ends. You might expect an efficiency of maybe 20% to 40% at best. But nature is far smarter. Plants solve this chaos using quantum mechanics, specifically a principle called quantum coherence. Imagine you are running through a massive, confusing maze, and you have to get to the center as fast as possible. Classically, you pick one path, and if it's the wrong one, you backtrack and try another, wasting time and energy. Now, imagine you could simultaneously try every single path in the maze at once, and instantaneously know the fastest route. That's what quantum coherence allows the plant to do. When a photon hits the light harvesting complex, the resulting exciton doesn't just pick one pathway to the reaction center. Instead, thanks to the superposition principle, it exists in a state of coherent electron transport. The energy explores all possible routes simultaneously. This is often visualized as a wave, not a particle, spreading out and feeling the landscape of molecular energy levels. Crucially, the molecule only collapses into a single location, the reaction center, when it has found the path of least resistance and greatest speed. This allows the plant to sidestep the random, inefficient bounces predicted by classical theory and achieve a directed, ultra-fast energy transfer. It's like having a perfectly tuned GPS that operates not on probability, but on quantum certainty. This incredible feat happens in milliseconds within structures like the Fenna-Matthews-Olson or FMO complex, a protein found in green sulfur bacteria and similar components in higher plants. Scientists realized that the energy transfer rate was too fast to be explained by simple diffusion. The exciton wave must be maintaining coherence, a synchronized relationship between its different parts, even at warm biological temperatures. This was long thought impossible, as coherence usually requires extreme cold, near absolute zero, to prevent environmental noise from destroying the delicate quantum states. The realization that biological systems actively maintain and exploit these quantum effects has launched the entirely new field of quantum biology. And the implications are staggering, especially for technology. Right now, the most advanced commercial solar panels struggle to convert 20% of sunlight into usable electricity. If we could reverse engineer the plant's mechanism, if we could design synthetic materials that mimic the coherent electron transport of the FMO complex, we could revolutionize renewable energy. We might be able to build solar devices that approach 100% efficiency, making energy cheaper and cleaner than ever before. Furthermore, understanding how biological systems maintain coherence at room temperature could inform the design of future room temperature quantum computers, solving one of the greatest engineering hurdles in quantum information science. The quantum garden isn't just a beautiful concept. It's a living laboratory demonstrating nature's mastery of physics at its most fundamental level. Plants are proving that the quantum world isn't just confined to specialized labs and superconductors. It is the beating heart of life itself. For more incredible facts like this, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications.